Okay, then the other thing I want to do, I want to make sure that the route is actually dynamic, captured, okay? And I want to use the default dashboard to only be rendering. So I'm going to go to our components here, then I create a link component, or yes, a links component or route component. What should it be? Okay, so I'm going to have, let's say, for to save time, let me call it links.component. Okay, links.view. Okay, then links.view will take a default view template, and then instead, because I'm not rendering, I may not need this, but I'll leave it in case I want to style or do anything dynamically. So I'm going to come to the dashboard and then take this, okay? I take this row, okay, so that I remain with only the renderer here, okay? Then I come to links, okay? Then I paste that. All right. So I've pasted this. Now I need to bring it back in here so that it can display. So I'm going to import. So I'll import, and then I'll import links, okay? And then I'll, let me see, links for dashboard links, okay? But I think links can work. I'll import links, and then from, so dot, because we need to go outside, out of the dashboard, and then go to components, okay? And then go to links.view, okay? Then I need again to call links as a component. So I'll look for a component, okay? So we have these V components, like the component is an array that is going to register a component name, then you just call it. So this component will be links, okay? And then I just need to come here, okay? And I call links. It already has a row there, but I think I need to be organized here, so, and I'll call links, okay? And then I give it a self-closing tag, just like that, okay? So let us see, when I click and go to home, links should be there. Okay, here it is. So I can click again, or by default it's still going to layers. Okay, I need to just change that here in the dashboard so that it goes to the root. Okay, so by default I can still click, and the only thing the other one is doing is render, okay? So which means I can always call the links in any other section that I needed. Okay, so we're going to take a break, and then we go on to fill in these tables, to create these tables, or to create the required table when the user registers, okay? And then the stats should be able to be displayed here. All right, so let's take a short break, and we'll meet, okay, in a few minutes. Let's go and take some water.